Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook 2 Exercise 10.8 Question number 3. The equation of electromotive force for an electric circuit containing resistance and self-inductance is E equal Ri plus L di by dt, where E is the electromotive force is given to the circuit, or the resistance, and L the coefficient of induction. Find the I, that is current, at time t when E equal to 0. Here the given equation is E equal Ri plus L di by dt. Now we rewrite this one: L di by dt plus Ri equal E. Now dividing through L, will get di by dt plus R by Li equal E by L. Here this is a linear differential equation where P equal R by L, Q equal E by L. E by L. Now integral PD integral P dt integral with respect to time, that is here integral R by L dt, which is equal R by L into T. Now integrating factor IF e power integral P dt equal e power R by L T. Here therefore then e power integral e power is e power RT by L e power integral e power integral R by L T, which is equal e power R by L dt equal e power R by L T. Now solution: y into IF equal integral Q into IF plus C. Y into e power RT by L equal integral Q is E by L. Here Q equal to E by L, and e power IF is RT by L dt plus C. Therefore y e power RT by L equal E by L out of integration, and integral of RT by L e power RT by L is e power RT by L over RT by L differentiation is R by L. plus c. Therefore, y e power RT by L equal E over L plus L go up L e power RT by L by R. Then this after that E by L, it's into multiplication. So LL cut, sorry, E is there, here L, this LL cut, which is equal E over R e power RT over L equal Y equal RT over L plus C. Then therefore solution is here. Here Y equal I here, not Y, because it's given I. Therefore, we can say I equal E over R e power RT over L over e power RT over L plus C over e power RT over L. Both cut, so I equal E over R plus C over e power RT over L. This is a further you can write I equal E over R plus C into e power RT over L. Then conditions will apply. When E equal to 0, when E equal to 0, we will apply I equal 0 by R plus C into e power RT over L. I equal C e power RT over L is a final solution for I. Now next question, question number 4. The engine of motor boat moving at 10 meters per second is shut off. Given that the retardation at any subsequent time after shutting off the engine equal to the velocity at that time. Find the velocity after 2 seconds of switch off the engine. Now here we let V be the velocity and the retardation become, and the retardation is given by dV by dt. Velocity with respect to time changes is equal to minus V. Let it be, we can keep it capital V here, that is retardation. Now just we can write, because it's we are using here retardation for that negative V here. Then dV by V equal dt, integrating dV by dt equal integral dt, which gives dV by V equal dt is log V equal t plus log C. Now further, log V minus log C equal t. Minus t plus minus t here. Therefore, log of V over C equal minus t. Therefore, V over C equal e power minus t, which gives V equal C times e power minus t. Now, the given conditions: find the velocity after 2 seconds of switch off the engine. Now, put t equal to 2 seconds. Then V equal C e power minus 2. From that, C equal V over C e power minus 2, which gives V e power 2. V e power 2 t. Now before that, t equals 0 we had substituted. When t equals 0, that means before switch off. When t equals 0, then velocity V equal V meter per second, velocity of the boat. Now, therefore, this let it be 1. Therefore, 1 become V equal, when t equal to 0. Therefore, you can see V equal 0, velocity V equal 10 meter per second given. Therefore, V is, that is 1 become 10 equal C e power minus 0, that is e power minus 0 is 1 equal to C. Therefore, C equal 10. Therefore, the equation V equal C is 10 e power minus t. This is the velocity of the equation. Put when t equal to 2 seconds, the velocity of the boat equal to 10 e power minus 2, which is equal, therefore V equal 10 over e squared meter per second. This is the velocity of the boat after 2 seconds switch of the boat engine. The velocity of the boat is 10 over e squared meter per second. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.